Naduling na ako. Naduling na. Wow, it's your favorite? It's your favorite fruit? What's that? What will you call that? It's mango. Kyle eating mango. You like that mango? Hala. Hala. Ang takaw. Ang takaw. You like that? Sino nagbigay sa'yo? Ha? Sino nagbigay? Ang takaw. Wow! It's yummy? Yeah! It's yummy! Ang dungis mo! Wow! You eat that! Bye guys! Ang duling na!